washing dishes by hand or cooking, and I just need a good dish towel. This is a fantastic dish towel, and I love it. So because I went there and because they're going out of business, I was thinking, well, what do you need? Their store was almost empty, which was stinky because I love a lot of their stuff. But yeah, there is a scent that I like. Matter of fact, I think I have. I'll show this to y'all. Look, I'm in my sweatpants, y'all, with this nice sweater. This New Year's sweater. Happy New Year! Cheers! Can you see the sparkles? It looks like it's not really sparkling much, but anyway. This is a diffuser, and this is like a porcelain piece. Isn't that pretty? That you can see the little flower. And it is, oh God, what's it called? Something Zuli. Yin Yang and Zuli. Anyway, and it's got jasmine. I absolutely love the scent. So I guess I really need to get back up there. They close in January. And something like that's just nice to sit in the bathroom, or I have it sitting here in my office. Of course, as you can see, I also have over there a candle going. But I like having candles going, so there's that. Okay. So what, let's see. So that was all that I got from Williams-Sonoma, but I am going to have to go back up there and get their soap. That is the hand soap that goes with that diffuser scent, because I really do like that. Okay, I also went to Chico's. They were having a 75% off sale. 75. And I got this little set. I can't remember. I think it went from like, it was like something like $50 down to $9.99. And I thought, you know, I'm getting that. If I don't end up giving it as a gift, I'll wear it. But I feel like this would be a great gift too, because it has kind of a casual earrings, and it has, I just noticed it's almost broken. Dang. What if I can fix that? Anyway, it looks like it's coming undone there. But anyway, it's a casual pair of earrings and then kind of a sparkly hoops. Or you could take it out of this box and put it in another box, and you could keep one pair and give it the other pair to someone else. Matter of fact, since this looks like it's broken, I'm going to probably have to do that. But I would imagine, I don't know, I may have to take that back to them. But that may be part of why things are marked down, is it's the last of some things or something. I don't know, y'all. Alright, so here is another thing that I have seen these, I don't know how many times. And they started out being, I think, Holiday Red Noise Knobs. Anyway. And they started out being $30, which that's not bad for a pair of costume nice earrings, especially for like holidays and stuff that you would wear. And I have always loved these little stones. Well, it was marked down, I thought, to $14. When I got up there, it was $4.99. I read it wrong. Yeah, they had this big sale, y'all. So I'm going to put that right up in the camera and see if I can block everything and it will focus. I think this has gotten into a mode that's called sports mode. And so you have to be moving for it to focus. And I'm like, what is up with that? And I can't seem to get it out of it. Again, it's time for me to get a different camera, I think. But anyway, I think these would be so pretty. Even like with what I have on, even though it's black with all the different colors. Just all the sparkles. I love these. I'm so glad they went on sale because, no kidding, I have looked at them for a long time. And every time I've seen them, I'm like, I don't need another pair of earrings. And they also have really nice backs on them. I know you probably can't see this, but they're the really thick backs, which hold on really well. And when something's heavy like that, you need that. Okay, and then, like, I really need jewelry, like a hole in the head. But anyway, I just felt, these are some things that I have seen for a long time. And I don't know if they've overstocked on them or what. But, like, I have always loved this bracelet, and I don't know why. I think it's the crystals are kind of a gray tone color, like a charcoal gray tone. And I think it takes me back to the years that I used to watch Ellen Blair Fowler as they would do unboxings. And they went to a store and they got this jewelry that had that kind of sparkles on it, and I just loved it. But it really wasn't my style. It was just a whole bunch of beaded rhinestones. But when I saw this, and it's a little stretchy, and I have gold bangles. Oh, by the way, this is what I got for Christmas from Lancy. A couple of things. She gave me this Movado bracelet to go with my Movado watch. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's got two little hearts on it. And it's just kind of a cool look. And then he also gave me, this is a Gadget triune bracelet. So it's got silver, gold, and rose gold. And there, it's a puzzle. Like, you can't undo them. And I thought that would look cute with that. What do y'all think? I'm going to just wear that with that. So that's why I got that one. And like I said, I'd always wanted that. What was really funny is that I came across pieces that I had seen at Chico's for a while. And I really liked them, and I never bought them. Because I thought, you don't need that. You don't need that. Here is another pair I have loved for, I can not even tell you how long. The fact that they had these on sale, I believe, $6.99. These are $50 earrings. Now, they are just costume, but still, what a great pair of earrings. Wouldn't this be great with what I've got on? Right? The big old sparkles. But putting something like that with just like a camel-colored necklace or camel-colored sweater or a black turtleneck and pull your hair back in a ponytail and just have these